Alright folks, we're ready to do this ultimate unboxing and stacking of the 2021 4th of July finale stash. And let's get this show on the road. This might be a fast forward video. So because it's going to take a while and I've got to do a lot of arrangements, but I won't stop taping, and we're going to use this angle for now. The angles might change, but for now we're going to focus on this corner, and let's get it started. Pyro Ronnie is the king. We've got our drink. This is called the Pyro. The Pyro vodka and tonic. Let's get it cracking. All right, so we're going to start with this corner, and we're just going to stack everything up. Yeah, let's do it. All right, but of course I won't be talking through the whole video because we're supposed to be speeding things up, right? So you can check out the whole entire stash stack. This here is the sushi box. Not one 64 shot standard aerial finale set. Not two 64 shot standard finale set. Not three 64 shot standard finale set. But that's all. It's nothing but just three. All right. Sushi box. A fireproof tarp. Tarp for fireproof. Actually, yeah, that looks good. Stack accordingly. the circus. The prices are slowly. The prices aren't too bad from what I paid for 3 or 4 months ago. So, I mean, this is probably up about $17 from what I paid for it. It's on sale right now, so go ahead and check out redapple.com and check out Platinum Circus, man. You get 12 of these, and they're not small. That's why the box is huge. So check them out. And let's devirginate it. Give you guys, what do we got here? I don't want to do too much explaining because this isn't an unboxing video per se, you know, traditional. So we got 1 inch up to 90 seconds per finale set. Very loud. Display is high and low, so you're going to get some mines and some high shots up in the air. There's 4 aerials per finale set, 64 shots per finale set. The angle is straight up. The effects are on the box. You get 2 finale sets per box. That's the gist of it, baby. Let's open it up. And you'll see you get 2 units inside a case. This is 1 unit. Beautiful. And this is 2 units. Beautiful. And this is the box. Out of here. Okay. Alright, so let's unwrap a unit. Let's see what they look like. Devirginating it. Had them for months and just never opened them. Been waiting as long as you guys have to see my own stash. There you go. There's Ghost, there's Supernatural. There's Ghost Supernatural. Cake number 2. By the way, this is cake number 3 is the purple one. Cake number 2 is the orange one. Cake number 4 is the blue one. And cake number 1 is the green one. Alright, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe it should go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Just a quick little thing there. The ghost. Still stacking. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Pyros and Pirates, we're just about here, done with the stacking video here. We're just about done. So we're going to organize the rest of everything else here, and then I'll go ahead and proceed to show you the entire stash. Alright guys, we're almost there. What you see on the floor is just what we gotta finish stacking up. All right, pyros and pyrettes, we've done it. We've concluded the unboxings and the stackings. Let's check out Pyro Ronnie's full complete stash recap, and let's get it cracking. Music, please. Let's do it. That was a little better.